Okay, in your email, you should have received a course invitation to join our course on Canvas called 8th Grade Tech Integration. When you click on it, you'll see your name, your email, and you won't have a username because all that you need to do is click this blue button that says Get Started. And it will take you to our course. You just click Accept. I have a Canvas account or create my account. I'm not sure, but if you have a Canvas account, you'll just click I have a Canvas account and go ahead and put your login name and password. If you don't, just click create my account. It'll automatically have your email, create a password. Ooh, you'll want to change that. You don't have to click on the receive information, but you want to agree to the acceptable use policy. You're going to register. And here we are. So you will see a start here with a pre-conference survey, and you might want to look at that and you can fill it out or you can wait until the interview. These documents won't be available for you because I'm going to turn them off until the day of the interview. So you will only see the Start Here folder, and during the interview I'll open these up so that you can see the 8th grade PLC documents. All right, thanks. If you have any trouble, email me, let me know.